Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Mujahid and I am the representative for the voice for the Group 1 Microlight Group. Okay, so for today, we would like to share about the metamorphic rock, basically on the general terms of the metamorphic rock, the formation, the mechanism, and the process. Okay, so what is metamorphic rock? So basically, metamorphic rock is a rocks that are formed through intense heating or also high pressure. So it oftenly found in mountainous area with high underground pressure and magma access. So some example of the metamorphic rock are like slate and white marble. So they are crystalline and often have foliated or banded texture. So for the formation of the metamorphic rocks, so basically metamorphic rocks is originally from the existing rocks, and due to certain conditions like intense heat or pressure, so it will undergo change or transformation. So basically it usually occurs in deep earth crust. The existing rocks will undergo a process named as metamorphism, or in other terms known as transformation or changes. And lastly, the metamorphic rock is formed. So you can see basically the rock cycle. Okay. So the second part is the mechanism of the metamorphism. There are two types of mechanism, which is the first one is the heat, whereas the heat comes from deep burial or it can be the heat associated nearby a magma chamber. And the second one is the pressure, which is we can divide it into two. Firstly, confining pressure, which applied from the all directions, and secondly is the directed pressure or applied from one direction. Okay, so for the process of the metamorphic rocks, basically we can divide it into two. The first and foremost is the regional metamorphism, and it happens because of the pressure. So as you can see based on the picture below, the crack will happen in the middle of the boundary. So when the crack happens, some rocks will be trapped and it will become metamorphosized. So the part that become metamorphosized, the part of the rock that become the metamorphosized will undergo changes and become the metamorphic rocks. Okay, so for the second process, is the contact metamorphism. So it involves existing rocks make contact with intense heat, such as from the lava and also the magma. So this burning rock will transform into the metamorphic rocks, and basically the range of temperature is from the 300 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius. So basically it's the contact, means the outer line of the rock and the lava. Okay. So last but not least, there are two main factors in the formation of the metamorphic rocks, which are the heat and pressure. So the heat from the magma will enable the rock near it to melt and metamorphosize into a new rock, whereas the high pressure from the ground will enable the rock to be foliated with a new texture. So I believe that is all from us. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and thank you. Have a nice day.